We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding. We work very hard to satisfy our customers, so when we receive a 5-star review like this one, it helps everyone know how hard we're trying to serve you and our local marketplace. We like to show the customer and the world that we appreciate what they say about us. We value our customers, new and old. Whether you're brand new or you've been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to earn your business all over again. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.